Imagine a world where your creativity is not bound by the limitations of pen and paper. A world where your artistic vision can come to life with the stroke of a digital pen. That's the world we're stepping into today. We're diving into the realm of digital artistry, exploring the tools that can turn your imagination into reality. So buckle up and get ready to unleash your creativity as we delve into the top 5 drawing tablets of 2023. I've also included the links to the products in the description box below. Do check it out. So without further ado, let's get started. Let's start with the XP Pen Artist 16 Gen 2. This tablet is a game changer for both beginners and seasoned artists. It features 8192 levels of pen pressure sensitivity, allowing for a wide range of artistic effects. The 15.4-inch screen provides ample space for detailed work, and the 1920 by 1080 resolution ensures your creations are crisp and clear. It's also compatible with a variety of operating systems, including Windows, macOS, Chrome OS, and Android. The tablet comes with a stand and a pen, and it's equipped with 10 shortcut keys for easy access to your most used functions. Next one is the Wacom Cintiq 16, which is known for its superior quality and performance. The Wacom Cintiq 16 is a favorite among professionals. It offers 8192 levels of pen pressure sensitivity and a full HD 1920 by 1080 resolution. The 15.6-inch screen size is perfect for detailed work, and the brightness it provides ensures your artwork is always visible. The tablet is compatible with both Windows and macOS, and although it doesn't come with a stand, its high-quality build and performance make it a worthy investment. Next up on our list is the Wacom Canvas 13. This tablet includes a great number of accessories but features low pen pressure sensitivity. It has a resolution of 1920 by 1080 and a screen size of 13.3 inches. It comes with a pen stand, a tablet stand, and replacement pen nibs. It is compatible with Windows, macOS, and Android. The pen pressure sensitivity is at 8192 levels. The tablet also comes with 8 shortcut keys and is fully laminated to reduce parallax. The Wacom One drawing tablet has good smoothness of drawing but is not suitable for detailed illustrations due to low screen sensitivity. It has a resolution of 1920 by 1080 and a screen size of 13.3 inches. It comes with a pen stand and is compatible with Windows, macOS, Android, and Chromebook. The pen pressure sensitivity is at 4096 levels. The tablet is not fully laminated, but it does come with a screen stand. Last but not least, we have the Wacom Canvas Pro 16. While it may not have the best drawing performance, the Wacom Canvas Pro 16 makes up for it with its abundant accessories. It comes with a pen stand, tablet stand, and replacement pen nibs. The 15.8-inch screen size and 2560 by 1440 resolution provide plenty of space for detailed work, and the 8192 levels of pen pressure sensitivity allow for a wide range of artistic effects. It's compatible with Windows, macOS, and Android. And there you have it, the digital canvases that are revolutionizing the world of art. Each one unique, each one powerful, each one ready to take your creativity to new heights. So which one will be your partner in creation? Which one will help you paint your masterpiece? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this journey through the digital art world enlightening, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Until next time, keep creating, keep exploring, and most importantly, keep dreaming.